Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to etch and personalize some champagne flutes. For the materials, you'll need champagne flutes, vinyl cutouts, etching cream, a brush, and masking tape. First, clean the glasses. Then determine where you'd like the vinyl cutout and remove the transfer tape. Surround it in masking tape. Do the same with the other glass. Then dab on the etching cream. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then wash the cream off. And that's it! These are so easy to make and are awesome personalized gifts. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.